Hi, this is Ken Bassard, Renovation Loan Specialist with Nexum Mortgage. Your 203K loan is the only mortgage that allows you to borrow up to 110% of the value of the property after rehab. Now, why would you do a fixer-upper? You may want to add value to the property, repair deferred maintenance, do a kitchen remodel, create an open floor plan. You may want to add an accessory dwelling unit to rent out for extra income or for your grandparents, in-laws, an office space. After mortgage application with me, the HUD consultant you choose goes to the property, does his inspection, and turns in his work write-up, detailing the cost for required repairs and desired repairs. Then you can get bids from contractors, 2 or 3 contractors. You'll get them to fill out this specification of repairs form, which details the work to be done and their materials and labor's cost and the final estimate of what they believe this job will cost. You and the consultant decide the final desired and recommended repairs to include, and that final work that you decide is going to be done, you get an specification of repairs from the contractor, one final one. Once the contractor specification of repairs numbers match the HUD certified consultant's specification of repairs, and you've all decided on what work's going to be done and what's not going to be done, then you get that to me, the mortgage loan officer, and I get that final specification of repairs. This is the work that we're going to put into the loan. I get that to the appraiser, and the appraiser will do a appraisal that has 2 values. Appraisal will have the value as is, and the appraiser will have the value after rehab, after the work has been done. I calculate the maximum mortgage for this loan. I calculate the maximum mortgage for this loan. You and your chosen contractor sign the homeowner contractor agreement, which says, among other things, the contractor supervises and directs the work and the work of all subcontractors, and he or she will use their best skill and attention in coordinating all portions of the work. Now we're ready to go to loan closing, where the renovation budget is put into an escrow account and the renovation team takes over. If you have a change, it must be recorded on this change order form and turned into the renovation team so that they can get that change recorded. The appraisal may have to be changed, but if you have a change, it has to be on this change order form. There'll be up to 5 draws. The HUD consultant will come out. The 203K consultant will send in this draw request form after inspecting the work completed for that draw. A check is issued to you and the contractor. You sign. The contractor is paid for that portion of the work, and the work continues. Upon completion, you get the mortgagor's notice of work completion. The final title update is completed to make sure there are no liens on the property, and the contractor's final payment, including a 10% holdback for contingencies, is released. And you're done.